what do we see for the principal amount? So that is what the analysis, or that is the story that you have for this particular graph. Let us have a story for this particular graph as well. There has been a certain level of volatility in the principal amount. That's what I see here. So that's what we'll drag and put it over here. The variability in the principal is high, and the parameters and the factors that may have led to the variability need to be investigated further. Again, we'll reduce this font size to 11. Click OK. So this is how you can actually create an analysis or the story of what you are doing. Okay, and obviously the last part remains. The principal to interest component, the principal to interest ratio that we have here is also quite high. Not high actually, it is also of variable nature. So you can simply add here. Is also variable and keeps changing. The same could be traced from the reasons for the same could be traced. For the same could be traced from the raw data. It is important. Why do we need raw data for this? So that we can come to know why and how is this change happening. So that is another thing, another analysis for your principal to income change. This is a story that you all have for the home loan parameters data that we have. So based on this, we can say that this is how you can create the storyboard and then make a point and then you can finish it. So let us save this again. And do you feel that we should share it? Let's share it. So I'll click on this, share workbook with others. This is already, the workbook name is already in use. So we'll create a new book, or we can overwrite also, that's no problem. And then we'll click publish. Yes, let's overwrite it, I don't mind. Yeah, okay. That's it. So this is done, right? They say the publishing is complete. Let's close this. So there's a lot of work that we have done. There are data sources also that they've provided us with and all. So this is how you can exchange the data or put your data for usage on your account on the Tableau's website. So with this point in mind, let us go on file. Let us print. Let us print the entire workbook, okay, into the Microsoft to PDF format, right? Apply and click print. Tableau examples, entire workbook. Okay, and I'm clicking on save. So what is it doing? It is doing it for the home loan parameters, right? So let's click on the entire workbook. Let's see what it shows. Yeah, see, it shows you all the equity segment work that we did earlier. Again, the equity segment work earlier. Then it also shows us the file analysis, the tech and price analysis, the overall price analysis. Okay, it is followed by the tech M's quantity analysis and the high, low, and the delivery quantity analysis that it was having. This morning we took some more of the stock analysis and it showed up over here. And that's an entire dashboard that we see on that's a storyboard. Okay, we haven't categorically mentioned it over here as a storyboard, but that is how it is showed up. Now, this one particular storyboard is blank. This is a short analysis we conducted for the medical parameters, and its story is discussed over here. Okay, something similar has been done over here also. Yeah, you can see here the story analysis was conducted here with some of the relevant comments. Then we discussed on the home loan parameters also. So that is the worksheet for that. And yes, now the problem here is this format, or this print format that we have is for the portrait size. If we take it on landscape mode, then these additional graph can also be covered in that, but that is okay. And thus another storyboard for the home loan parameters analysis. And wait, let's come here, print entire workbook, preferences. If you select landscape, I click OK, then I apply and print. Yeah, save it. Yes, let's replace it.